Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to the Success Story series. And today we have Mr. Aayush Anand from Patna, and he is a executive electrical engineer in 𝗘𝗫𝗚𝗟𝗧 Limited. So he is doing a wonderful job there. And today he is with us because he is recently become Edge expert and also IGBCAP in the past month. So today he will be sharing his success story, like how he came into this sustainability domain and what he has done in the past. Also what he is currently doing in his current organization. So please stay with us till the end of this video, and if you come across any doubts, any questions, put in the comment sections. Also what you will learn from this video, that also you please put in the comment section. Okay, so welcome Aayush, welcome to the Success Story series.
Thank you Anuj for having me.
Thank you so much Aayush, and first of all huge congratulations on becoming the Edge expert as well as the IGBCAP. So we are very proud of you because you are a part of our D2O Learning community, and you have done amazing work. Like you are regularly interacting in the Green Gurus community also. So thank you so much for all the contributions. You are very active on the LinkedIn. I'm regularly seeing you are engaging with other people posts. So glad to have you in our community.
Thank you Anuj, and kudos to you for starting such great initiatives. It's all your initiative that has led us to be here on this platform.
Thank you so much Aayush. So thank you Aayush. As we discussed, like I will be asking some question to you. So are you ready for those questions?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, great. So my first question is Aayush, because you are working as in the electrical department as an executive engineer. So what is your current role, like in your organization, what you're currently doing and what you have done in the past? Also, what is the main thing which sparked in you, like I have to do something in the sustainability. So what was the one thing behind that? So can you please share with our audience?
Yes, definitely Anuj. So a brief about my background. Like you said, I am an electrical engineer. Apart from that, I have also done my MBA from IIM Ranchi. So starting, I joined BSNL back in 2010 and I was posted in Bhuj, Gujarat.
Okay.
So there I got the opportunity to see firsthand the role of solar and wind energy that it can play, the transformative role. I was involved in one of the hybrid pilot project of Ministry of New and Renewable Energy and Department of Telecom in a very remote border area of Bhuj, Gujarat, which is very nearby to Pakistan, our neighboring country.
Okay.
So there the population is very sparsely populated. It's very, like, people stay in very small numbers in sparsely populated around the areas. So communication or electricity, that is a challenge in those areas. So we had installed a solar and wind power project there, and that drastically improved the quality of life of the people living there, and they were so much happy to have that project there. Because as you know, now we can say that without internet, even if 10 minutes of internet or communication is not there, we feel like we are missing something in life. So imagine the people there being not connected to other parts of the world. So they had a very transformative experience, and that in my formative years had a huge impact on my mindset that what sustainable energy and sustainability can do in changing our lives. So moving forward from there, I worked on various sustainability initiatives, including on free cooling, where we used not hydrofluorocarbons, which are very environmentally damaging. We used free cooling equipment so that our site could be cooled without using those refrigerants. Apart from that, I also got empaneled with MNRE for solar projects. Okay. Because solar in those days was not that much well versed with. People were not that much well aware of it.
Right.
So they needed people. They had called for volunteers who could work with them. So I volunteered for that. I was empaneled with them. And for nearly 5 years, I handheld many departments in their solar projects, both state government and various central government organizations and autonomous bodies.
Okay.
So apart from solar projects, I also had an opportunity to work with a multilateral organization, that is UNESCAP, and for them I developed sustainable energy platform for the entire Asia Pacific.
Wow.
It is an open access. Thank you, Anuj. It is an open access portal whereby all the policymakers of the member countries can sit together and see what their neighboring countries are doing, what all strategies those neighboring countries have employed, and what all things they could adopt to further accelerate the sustainable energy portal.
Okay.
And this also had a very great impact in the entire Asia Pacific region. This project was in fact quite well received by all the member countries. So again, this impact also gave me a feedback, yes, that the sustainability is the way forward.
Okay. Great.
So all those things have added to my knowledge, and right now I am working as a circle nodal Bihar. I am presently posted in Patna, Bihar, as you said, and I work as a state nodal of a project which is being done by BSNL called 𝗬𝗢𝗔𝗬𝗓. 𝗬𝗢𝗔𝗬 means, in English it means, in
energy.
India it means energy. Yes.
Energy, yes.
So in this project, my main role is to analyze the energy consumption that is being done by all the telecom towers and the infrastructure. And most of our infrastructure are telecom buildings.
Right.
So we have been doing analytics, and through our analytics and hand-holding of people, all the site in charge, in fact there are 300 plus site in charge in Bihar. So I have been informally telling them what all good things they are doing. Like some of the site in charge, post my taking over of this project, I started doing some behavioral experiments, which we call positive reinforcement. In this, if some site in charge is adopting some no-cost measures, say if they are if there is no requirement of electricity, or if the temperature outside, ambient temperature, is cool enough, then they can switch off the light as well as the air conditioners.
Okay.
And this leads to huge saving.
Right.
So this project we had started in 2018 as a baseline, and I'm very happy to inform you that this project has led to, in Bihar alone, a saving of 100 plus crore rupees in 5 years. And this is a government audited figure that I'm telling you. And based on my proof of concept, now this project has been expanded in the entire India for BSNL. And we are getting good numbers in terms of our bottom line due to.
Amazing. I think you have done a great work like in the past, that from the Bhuj or like that part of the things you're mentioning. So amazing. I think Aayush, thank you so much for sharing all this, and hope, I think, who are watching this video, you must have seen like the Aayush journey, how he started, and now he is doing amazing work in the different work. Currently working in the BSNL, that 𝗬𝗢𝗔𝗬𝗓 project. So please take some inputs from this, and if you have any questions, any doubts, put in the comment sections. Ayush will be happy to respond on that, and then myself also will be happy to respond on the same. Great. So Ayush, my next question is for you, because you are from this domain. So how it came in your mind that you have to become the edge expert or IGBC AP, and how you reached out like to me, because I think we connected to LinkedIn and all. So how it came into your mind?
Right, Anuj. So like I said, BSNL has a huge infrastructure of telecom buildings, and which are great energy guzzlers.
Right.
So I started thinking of ways how we can reduce the energy, and green building is something that can really help in reducing our energy. So I started practicing all those things that we had learned into our projects.
Okay.
Like what facade should be there, what color should be there on the roof. Simple things like planting of trees if it is possible in the sun path. Putting air conditioner outside unit in such a way that they are not exposed to sun. So all those things. In fact, even having one battery, one power plant, one air conditioner, like reducing the number of air conditioner in the telecom equipment. Previously, we used to have 3-4 rooms, like switch room were there, MDF were there, other rooms were there, and differently they were being cooled. So what we decided, we made it into a unitary project, like in one place only the AC will be there, and that will be cooling. So all these efforts and measures, like I said, it has shown in terms of energy saving, and all these learnings that I got. So I thought I should move ahead and do a more structured learning.
Right.
And when I started searching about these certifications, I came to know about the great work that you're doing, that D2O is doing. Especially, I got in touch with you through LinkedIn. So this was my first interaction that I have had with you was on LinkedIn.
Great, Ayush. Thank you so much for sharing this. And I think this is very important. I think you attended one of our training session by Ashu also, because to the
Yes.
So that was also in your mind that we have to do something with the D2O. So you reached out to me,
Right.
and then you got connected. Right.
Yes.
Great, Ayush. So my next question is, how was your training experience? Because we connected and I think you attended both the live sessions of the Edge Expert training. So how was your experience from the training? And after that also, like through our LMS platform, how was your experience?
It was a life-changing experience, I must say. The kind of energy that you have is really, really something that we all get carried away with. The energy that you have is really inspiring. And we wish that if we could carry that energy, even 10% of that, we can do so many things.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thanks to you.
Thank you so much, Ayush. That's a great work and so kind words to you. Thank you so much for sharing this. And yes, because the energy comes from you people, because you were there very interactive in the session. So that's how my energy was coming. So it's to you, and I think Ambar was also part of the training. Jitendra, Avinash were also part of your batch. So the energy came from there. And the main thing is because if the people are interactive, then the energy will be coming. Also, you are very contributing in the community. Like you are a part of the Green Gurus community also. So you are regularly posting. I think you there's a one of the article you published in one of the newspaper. So that those kind of our things coming from the members of our community, that gives us energy. So thanks to you also for the same. Great. So Ayush, like in the same, how was your LMS experience? Because we did the live sessions and then you went through the recording, I think the materials that we had. So was it enough for the preparation, or what you were thinking? It is fine, or I need more content, and also any challenges you faced there?
No, it was sufficient for me. In fact, I came back because I had some setbacks in my family, so I took a month break, and then when I came back, and as you said, we had a chat on our D2O community just at the start of the year, where you really motivated me to go ahead with the certification. You had asked each one of us as to what our goals are going to be for the coming month and the coming year. So I said, okay, Anuj, I promise to you that I will do my best. And thanks to you, I cleared both IGBC AP and Edge Expert within January. In 1 month, I cleared both of the exams.
Awesome.
And I really attribute this to you and the community.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And I'm super happy to like who are watching this video, guys. If you Ayush was the one who just put a target कि हाँ ये करना है, we have to clear this, I have to clear this, and he did it in just 1 month. So if you are also planning to clear the credential examinations, please set a target, set a goal, and work accordingly. It's not like that you just have to procrastinate the things and delay the things. Do it, set a target, and work accordingly, and you will do it in a 1 month or 2 months time period. And we are here at D2O Learning. We are here to support you all the way. So thank you so much, Ayush, for sharing this. My next question is, how was your exam experience? Because I believe you must be giving the exam on the Prometric first timer. So how was it? Like, is it easy to access, or was it tough for you for the first time?
Yes, again, thanks to you, Anuj. Thanks to the videos that you had done of the successful participants and the experience that they had shared. So that really helped me in preparing as to what to expect during the Prometric exam. And exactly the things happened as it was shared by other people in the group. So it helped me in getting my exam being conducted smoothly. So I was able to give the exam without any.
So you gave exam from your home itself, right?
Yes, I gave my exam from home.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for mentioning that, the success story which we are doing like this. So we have done with the other participants also, other D2O scholars. So this is the best part, like we are doing a success story, and that is helping to other D2O scholars and other people. So so we are giving the result of these success stories. So thank you so much, Ayush, for mentioning this. My next question is, now you have become the IGBC AP and the Edge Expert. So how you are planning to use these credentials, and what is your future plans to do for this year and the upcoming year?
Sure, Anuj. So apart from BSNL, where I train all the site in charges and all the stakeholders, we also do management buy-in. So one of the great feature of Edge is that it has finance part also embedded. So I can show to my management as to what all these benefits can bring. Because having the management buy-in is a very important step in any sustainability feature, especially for corporate decarbonization measures that we take. Apart from that, I have also been in the past, like I said, I have been an honorary consultant to various government departments. So wherever I get a chance on any platform, I will definitely give the learnings that I have get. I will share those learnings in green building sector, specifically about the initiative, the low-hanging fruits that we all can take. Because even small steps can make huge difference.
True.
So these are my future plans of as I can think of.
Okay, great. I think that's a good one, and I wish you all the best. And definitely, we are here to collaborate also. So thank you so much for being a part of our growing community. My next question is, because people are watching and must be thinking any tips and suggestions. So do you have some tips and suggestions to crack these examinations, like either IGBC-AP or the Edge Expert? So if you can just give some tips.
Yeah, for Edge and both IGBC-AP, I think going through the syllabus and what is expected from the exam, having a clarity of that will make the task very, very easy. For Edge AP, I think that what you teach and what material that you ask to refer is more than enough. I did not have any challenges post going through them. Similarly, for IGBC AP, the Green Homes book that is there for existing buildings, that material is more than enough for clearing the IGBC AP.
Okay, very nice. Thank you so much for mentioning this. So people, if you're watching this video and you have planned for this year to become the IGBC AP or the Edge Expert, follow these tips and tricks. So I think that you will be able to clear the examination. So Aayush, my next question and the last question: will you recommend to become a part of the D2O Learning community or to take our courses or the memberships to the fellow participants who are watching this video?
Without a doubt, a resounding yes. Why I say so? Because from my experience, had it not been Anuj and the D2O community, I wouldn't have been able to clear these two examinations in one go. And I really appreciate the kind of energy that you bring and the other members bring, the kind of experience that they have and they share, because it's a collaborative world, and whatever experience that we are sharing and learning day by day helps us improve in all our endeavors that we are doing. So thanks to you again, Anu. I can't thank you enough for all the things that you have done.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Aayush. I am today is a Monday, and we can say the Monday. So you have made my day. So for sharing, after sharing these videos, after sharing these words. So thank you so much, and all thanks to you also for the energy, the experience that you bring to the community. So we are very fortunate to have you in our community as a member. And yes, we are here to collaborate also. So members who are watching this video, please make notes from this video and also share your learnings below this video, so that other people who will be watching this video, they will be aware about it. Okay, and do share with your friends and colleagues. So this was the success story of Aayush. I would recommend, please connect with Aayush over the LinkedIn. He's very active. He can also help you with these credentials. And yes, as he mentioned, join our community, join D2O Learning community. So I look forward to see you in our community and support you in your endeavors. So thank you, Aayush. It was a pleasure to have you in our this success story talk. Hope you had a great insights and interactions.
Thank you, Anil. Yeah, it was really very interesting, and I really like the talk that we had.
Thank you,
and
thank you.
Future members also get inspired from this video, like I was inspired from the.
Absolutely. Thank you, Aayush. Thank you so much. Look forward to see you soon.
Bye.